How to download and install Mortal Kombat 11 for PC. So first, you just have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then type Steam. So you can also type Steam download for PC, Steam download, okay? And then what you want to do here is to click the very first site that you can see. So click this one here, and it will take you directly to their site. Now there you can see the button that says install Steam. So all you have to do is to click this one and you will see above that it will start downloading Steam application. So what you want to do is to open this one and then go to your download folder or tap this folder here, locate Steam, and then what you want to do is to right click, okay, and then click run as administrator. Okay. So once you tap Run as administrator, all you have to do is to click Next, Next, okay, till you reach Install. Okay, so you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then once done, you have to tap Finish. Okay, so once you have installed Steam, what you want to do is to go to the search icon and then type Steam. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So what you want to do here is to go to store, go to the search icon, and then type Mortal Kombat 11. Okay, tap this one here. Then you will see here Mortal Kombat 11. Tap this. And then there you have to confirm your birth date and then click view page. Now, what you want to do here is to simply click this add to cart and you have to prepare for this specific amount here. Now, you have two options if you want to purchase it for yourself or purchase it as a gift. So, I'm going to choose the first one here. Okay, and then payment method. So, if you want to pay via PayPal, Visa, and so on, all you have to do is to tap that and then continue. Now, if you want to pay via PayPal, you have to link your account here and then purchase this game. So once done, what you want to do is to simply go to your library because you can see here your installed games. So suppose that you have already purchased Mortal Kombat 11. So what you want to do is to click that game and then tap install and then play. It's easy as that. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.